for something to happen.
Dude, we should say that. What you just said. Well, first, I'm Milk.
And I'm Apples.
What up? Alright, well, as Ali was saying, usually every time we're here, we always like stop and we're like, oh dude, we should videotape us running down the hill. And then we always do that, and then we always have to stop at the top of the hill, and her grandma is a nosy bitch. So
she's probably sitting up there thinking, what the hell are they doing? Just standing there? What are they, preparing themselves for something?
Yeah, bro. She's a window peeper. She peeps out the window and stares at everyone. Is always in everyone's business. But yeah, anyways, we're
about to walk down this hill.
I can't see because the car's still on it. Oh. Dude, that's funny. How much better is that, guys? Yeah, that has got to be a million times better.
Alright, to walk down this hill.
Yeah, dude, we decided
instead of running,
you're about to witness us walking down this hill. We thought that it would be special.
Yeah, it's a rare occurrence, you know. It's also lucky that you can actually see us now.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure it looks blurry either way, whether or not we're running or walking.
Dude, and plus, we totally, any other day, we would have filmed like a 20-minute video with that whole thing on. So you are really lucky that I saw that. I love that tree, by the way. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see it. Say that to the camera.
Every day I get off my bus and this crippled girl lives in that house, and her and I have secret races as to who can get to the middle of the hill faster. And usually I kick her booty, but one day, bro, she had fucking like dippers on or something because she was on the move. Like we were battling for first place. And I ended up hurting my knee because I was walking so fast. It was intense.
Oh, dude, it's daytime now so they can see the house. Dude, you know the houses that we smoked with Courtney in?
Yes, on the roof?
Yeah. Dude, they're all built now and painted and everything. I just noticed that today on my walk here. Oh, that's a better view. The pretty trees.
But we're gonna go to this house that's partially built, but by the time this house is built, we're just gonna go to the house down by Michaela's house that's unbuilt and smoking that one until it becomes built.
Dude, I don't think any of them understood that. Okay, so we're going to I always want to say abandoned houses, but they're not abandoned. They're just not finished being built yet. And then so we used to go to these ones that are a different way, that are like right across the street from. They're about the same distance as these are, just the other way. And we'd go to those and smoke in them. But now those are all built, so now we're going to these ones. Which are, and then when these ones are done being built, there's like brand new houses right now that are barely standing up. Right across the street from my house. So after we're done going to these ones, we're gonna go to those ones.
And then we're just gonna have to find some new houses to go to all together.
Yeah, bro. Then we're gonna be shit out of luck.
Well, no, that one's still pretty new. We'll just go across the street.
Oh yeah, dude. This one doesn't even have like full shit in it yet. So, all right. Sounds like a plan. This is like. I know, dude. It feels amazing to be outside. We've been cooped up in our house for like a couple of hours, bro. Like 3 hours. So, feels good to stretch. Oh, there's the mound that we went up that once. I can't even see inside the screen, so I hope it's pointing at us. Wow. Are you okay, bro? Dude, there's young people in that vehicle.
Even the dirty stuff on my lungs right now.
Dude, did you see that van that just went by? Yeah. There's young people in there.
And I'm like,
and I'm like,
let's hope no one's working today.
Dude, I know. My mom. Well, dude, they probably just has a little fake knob like the other ones did. I know, but dude, they get a lot of stuff done. The one by my house already has windows. Yeah. Not on the inside.
About to be in my backpack for dangerous stunts.
Yeah, let's go get it. How are we gonna get up there? We can climb up. Yeah. Dude, we still have the bong in there!
I know.
We should take it out. Ah, there's hair in my mouth.
There's hair in my eye, bro. They're probably like, no, that.
Oh, thanks.
For reals. It has instructions and everything.
Yeah, it's probably brand new, bro. The guy's probably like, fuck, I left it at my job today. And the wife's like, oh, that's okay. You can get it tomorrow. And then he comes back tomorrow, or probably Monday or whatever. And he's like, fuck, should we jump?
I knew it wasn't going to affect the heart. No, I have a bomb in my backpack.
Oh, shit.
Gently crawl down.
This is really hard. I can't see anything that I'm trying to put my feet on. I'm slipping. Okay, well, I can step now. Oh, shit. Look, my shoe is stuck in there. Oh, crap.
Oh, I forget they missed the porta potty. It's filling.
Oh, shit.
I can feel it on my face. Oh, there's a spider.
Bro, it's not. Oh, well, it's pulled a little bit. Oh, out of the car, bro. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Well, here, just walk in front of me.
Oh, motherfucker, you just got murdered.
Oh, shit, dude. Oh, shit!